What are you doing? That's $1,000. Are you gonna pay for that?
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. Brand new day, brand new video. We are here with the one, the only, Anthony. You know what I'm saying? Dude, what's up?
What's up, y'all?
Dude,
Giacomo
welcome
here.
again, dude.
Thanks for having me.
Dude.
Why do you look so dirty?
Did you tell them about how we already did the vlog?
No, not yet,
We
dude.
already filmed this intro, but like I'm stupid and I forgot to turn the mic on. So yeah, hi again.
So yeah, well, Anthony, we did the intro, then Anthony went back home. While he was out there, I got a little dirty. So clips right here. All right, guys, so I need to look like I just came back from work. Reality, I just woke up. My fit's looking all right. I need to look dirty, like I did something. So, and all you gotta do, grab a little dirt. Just put it on you. It's not that hard, huh? Look at that. Do I look dirty?
I mean, it's not that much of an improvement, but I mean, I guess
do
it
more.
works.
I could do more. Is that better? Is that what you want? Huh? You like that? Is this what you want, Giacomo? This is what you want? Huh? Look at this. This is how you want me, dude? Other than one?
So cute. She came to me.
Háblame otra vez.
So we're currently applying the good old soy sauce to Ramon's pants. This is the concoction we got for Ramon. We got some ranch, soy sauce,
And then
and then some soil.
some soil from the house.
And that's how you make a hard-working man.
See, guys, you don't need to go to work. You
Yeah.
gotta just fake it till you make
Look,
it.
guys, if you go home looking like this every day, your parents are gonna be like, "Yo, my son works hard." But really, all what they don't know is your son is lazy.
I just be playing Call of Duty all day.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Who's listening to your butt, dude?
Dude. And guess what, dude? It makes the best sounds.
Bro, your butt is tremendous. It makes tremendous sounds.
Tell me something I don't know, dude. My butt's tight.
Ramon, let me just tell you, I've heard a lot of butts in my life, in my time. And that's one of the best sounding butts I've ever heard.
Well, duh. I've been training my butt since I was 3. You don't get a butt like mine just for free, dude. Alright, guys, so we finished a couple scenes already. We're getting a little hungry, as usual, so we're going to lunch now. But before we go to lunch, Giacomo,
Yes.
can you help me finish this song? Hey now, hey now.
This is what dreams.
No, the other one, no!
Yes!
No, Giacomo knows the other one, dude.
No,
That's the right song though.
Yeah. What are you talking about?
Don't dream it's over. Hey
okay.
now.
Hey
Hey now.
now.
See, he knows it,
Okay.
dude.
He knows it, but the first song he thought about was the Lizzie McGuire one.
Yeah. Nobody really knows Crowded House.
That's
Only
why.
me and you know Crowded
That's all.
House.
All right, guys. So as you guys know, we don't know what we're doing, but you know who does know what they're doing? Boy Giacomo.
Dude, what are you doing,
Dude, we didn't have a light gel today, so our boy Anthony just so happened to find a Ziploc bag and a blue Sharpie marker. So we're making a DIY gel right now.
Yeah. So we're gonna get this, and once he's done painting it blue, we're just gonna put it over the light, and then he's gonna like flicker the light and make it look like a TV.
They said you couldn't make your own gels, dude.
Ooh! Look at Ramon's face. Look at Ramon's face. Oh, you're watching TV? Dude?
Whoa, did you watch it?
Bro, what are you doing?
Dude.
That's $1,000. Are you gonna pay for that? You gonna pay for that?
Huh?
Hey, go get my water now.
Yes.
Now, peasant.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, you know what's funny? He actually looks like a peasant too. 'Cause he's all dirty.
That's true.
I'm all clean.
Real funny, dude.
Where's my water, peasant?
You want your water, dude?
Yeah. Hey, stop drinking it! Stop drinking my water, peasant! Say, you know what, Ramon?
Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm unfollowing you on Instagram.
Stop! Stop!
I'm doing it.
Dude, Dr. Doolittle.
This house is a... Oh my... Oh.
There's more. There's a cat.
You
Would that
want
work?
to entertain the dogs or you want to stand right here?
Ladies and gentlemen, I have an announcement. We're officially done shooting. That's a wrap.
A wrap?
That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
It's a wrap!
Mr. over there. That's a wrap.
What about the one behind him?
Miss, over there. Yeah, you. I just would like to say that that's a wrap.
Chipotle chicken wrap.
Ramon, how was your Valentine's Day, by the way?
Well, it's special, you know what I'm saying? I spent my Valentine's Day with someone special, myself, like I usually do. I bought 2 tickets for a show, but everyone I asked, they just said they were busy or they just said something to reply, but I had fun though. I did. I had a lot of fun by myself at Valentine's Day on a Friday in Hollywood at a concert.
Ramon, leave that cat alone. Dude, that's not your cat. Stop.
Wait,
Stop, that's not your cat. You don't have a cat, dude.
that's not my cat, dude. Who is that?
What are you doing?
So hire me for construction if y'all need bad work. Yeah, this is good. This is the good one. Spec mix. See? It's good. This is the good one.
Yeah, I could do this easy. $500. $500.
How long?
2 hours.
2 hours?
2 hours.
Está loco.
No. Okay, 3 hours. 3 hours.
I believe 4. 4? It's easy.
Four slow. 4 too slow.
Papita for lunch. I need my lunch.
Nah.
Ah, está bueno. Sí. Ah, this. I flick it. Una agua. Está cerca.
Mira, mira.
Ah.
Guacha. Este está bueno.
Ah, sí, no, esto es bueno. Esto coloca.
No.
I am the one, I got the one.
That's racist.
All right, guys. I think this is a good spot to end it at.
Yep.
Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes. If you guys think Giacomo did a great job, make sure you guys drop a like on the video so he can see that his work was appreciated. Yeah.
Thank you.
And comment down below. What should they comment down below if they're still watching?
They should comment down below mother.
Ooh, comment down below mother if you're still watching up to this point, guys, so we can see who the real ones are. And with all that being said, if you aren't subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we have a new video on this page whenever we post a new video because it's this behind the scenes channel. But yeah, make sure you click subscribe and click that bell button. And also make sure you guys go show our boy Giacomo some love. Where can they find you?
YouTube.com/GiacomoThelay. Link in the description.
And yeah, with all that being said, we'll see you guys next time.
Mwah.